friends. Do you love monster trucks? Let's learn colors with these big, awesome trucks. Ready? Let's go! Vroom! Whoa! Look at this red monster truck. Red, like an apple. Can you say red? Red. Great job! Here comes the blue monster truck. Blue, like the sky. Say it with me. Blue. Awesome! Wow! A shiny yellow monster truck. Yellow, like the bright sun. Can you say yellow? Yellow. Well done. Hey look! It's the green monster truck. Green, like grass and frogs. Say it with me. Green. Green. You're doing great. Here comes the orange monster truck. Orange, like oranges. Let's say it together. Orange. Orange. Nice job. Whoa! A cool purple monster truck. Purple, like grapes. Say it with me. Purple. Purple. You're amazing. All the trucks are here. Let's say the colors one more time. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple. Yay! You are a color superstar. Thanks for learning colors with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.